Hey guys, welcome to Matt Tech. Today we'll be learning how to turn on detailed voice guidance on Google Maps. And now let's dive right in. Now to turn on detailed voice guidance on Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application. And after opening your Google Maps application, guys, on this interface, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon for us. Tap on the profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface should appear. Tap on settings over here, which is at the bottom of the list, and on this interface, guys, scroll down to the bottom of the list and you'll be able to find the navigation settings over here just above the manage your preferences. Tap on navigation settings and scroll down to the bottom of the list where you'll be able to find the detailed voice guidance. Now in order to turn it on, tap on it, and when the toggle icon turns blue, it will be turned on. And there, guys, this is how to turn on detailed voice guidance on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.